morning, TT dolls. It is Thursday. I'm on my way to work. I worked from home Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Today and tomorrow, which is Thursday and Friday, I will be working at work. But I'm at Starbucks ordering my keto friendly coffee. Hi, can I have a venti blonde roast, no classic, with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla and 2 pumps of sugar-free dolce?
What was that? Cinnamon dolce?
Yes, and also heavy whipping cream.
All right. What else for you?
That'll be it, thank you.
All right, 340 at the window.
Okay. So yeah, guys, I am so refreshed. Being home, working, not having to get up, take a shower, get dressed, get on the road, get in this Atlanta traffic. I just have to wake up, brush my teeth, set my computer up, and start working. So easy. And once I log off, when I'm done working, I just take me a little nap. But the first day, I did go to Zaxby's and get me a blackened blue salad, because you know I'm on keto. And that salad was so good because I fast until 1 o'clock every day. And that's why I drink my bulletproof coffee, because that keeps me full. And I also, I brought my butter and my coconut oil to put in this coffee. You know, you have to travel with your stuff, guys. See it? Yeah, so once you give it to me, I'm gonna just drop this in my coffee. Once I get to my desk, of course. I'm trying to get to work. I'm running a little late. I'm supposed to be there at 6. Well, really, I have until 9 o'clock to get to work, but I like to get there at 6 so I can leave at 2:30. So basically, it's like 6 to 11. So that's why I say I'm running late. But I'll just make up my time. I'm still gonna leave at 2:30, but I'm gonna make my time up once I get home later. I'll probably do the little, extra 30 minutes. My hair is growing, my edges is growing back. And I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair. I don't know if I should get braids or get these bundles in, because I have what is it called? Deep wave. I have deep wave bundles with a closure. I'm trying to try out some hair to see, how good it is. I'm always trying new vendors because I'm always trying to get the best hair, like the best hair. That way, when I sell the hair to my customers, they'll be 100% satisfied and they'll want to come shop with me again. So, yeah, guys, that's what I'm trying to decide. And also, I'm trying to decide how to get my nails done, because my nails are not done at all. I've been giving myself a break, giving my nails a break, but I don't know if I want to go short, if I want to do long. I'm really thinking about doing long and colorful since it's the summer. And I really want braids where I can get up and go and put them up and wrap them in a bun. But then again, I want to test out this hair. So y'all let me know what y'all think I should do. But by that time, I probably already have my hair done. I don't know, by the time I upload this video, because it's been taking a while to get these videos edited and uploaded. But I'm going to try to do better, because Chinua, C. Rose, Carter Cloud, that's his signature, his company. He edits my video, and he have a lot of videos to edit. He's working on a lot of projects, and I appreciate him editing my video. He does a good job. So guys, I'm gonna have his name right there. So if you need somebody to edit your video, you could just go ahead and follow his Instagram, get his information, and have him edit your video. But he's really good. Why are they taking so long with my drink? I gotta get to work. Yeah, leave. Sheesh.
Hi, 340. How are you?
I'm
Sorry for the
good.
wait.
Well, at least she said sorry for the wait. No, I don't need a receipt. I wonder how this tastes. This is my first time tasting it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a
Have a
nice
good
day.
one. Yeah, this is going to be my first time. Let me put my card up. So I went on YouTube and I was looking up drinks, keto-friendly drinks, and that sound good. So let me give it a taste test, guys. I hope nobody's behind me right now. Oh, this is good. And it was only like $3 and some change. Wow. That's good. So I gotta try other ones. Like they have like different teas I could try. And different kind of coffee that I could try also. So that was my first one. Basically, it's the blonde roast. It's a venti, of course. I got a venti blonde roast with no classic, 2 shots of sugar-free vanilla, 2 shots of sugar-free cinnamon dolce, and heavy whipping cream. And it's good. So guys, if you're doing keto, try that if you haven't tried it. So guys, I'm gonna talk to you later. Let me try to get myself to work. Hey TT dolls, I am off work. I am so happy to be off work, even though I don't feel too well. I think I got the keto flu. Cause I don't know, I feel like I need some energy. I feel like I just want to lay down. It's hot as hell. And I think I'm just gonna drink this bone broth to, you know, bring me back up. Because I heard that when you're feeling like this, when you first start keto, this is the feeling you get because your body trying to convert from burning carbs to burning fat. And I think that's what's going on with me. So I don't know. I'm about to drink this, and it's so damn disgusting. But if it's gonna make me feel better, then I'm gonna just drink it. Hey, doll. So I'm about to order my second drink. Hello.
What can I get for you?
Okay, can I have a venti passion tango iced tea? No liquid cane sugar. 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla. Heavy cream, light ice, no water, and 2 stevia monk fruit sweetener.
With no lemonade?
Yes, no lemonade. Wow, my phone is acting up.
Anything else for you?
That'll be it, thank you. Why my phone fell? Why my camera fell? I just can't be great today. And you over here chomping on them damn chips, making up. So guys. Yeah, so guys, I ordered my drink. My Starbucks drink, my second. Guys, Chanel bothering me.
Yeah, okay. See, I was just trying to help you out, but then you
Chanel, stop it!
No, because I was trying to crumble up the chips and then put it somewhere where it's not gonna make noise.
I
But
swear,
you threw
she
it on the
making
floor,
so
and
much
you're
noise
gonna
with
get
her
crumbs on your in your
salt
car,
and vinegar.
and then you're gonna be like, "Oh, there's crumbs on my
Potato
floor. You have to pick it up." But see, I was trying to help you out, but you know what?
So anyway, guys, yeah, I'm trying this other drink. This is my second keto-friendly drink from Starbucks. I hope it's good.
Mom.
It was a lot of instructions. Oh my God. And then she asked me if I wanted lemonade. Like, bitch, I didn't say lemonade. Huh? How do you have to be to work at Starbucks?
16 for this location.
Okay. Here you are. Thank you. You too. Gosh, she had me like waiting. And I never had to put my pen in at Starbucks. What the hell? So guys, I guess I'm gonna do a taste test really quick. So let me pull over real quick. I just made Chanel like skirt. Okay, so this is a venti passion fruit tango iced tea. No liquid cane sugar. 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla. Heavy cream, light ice. No water. 2 stevia monk sweetener. So let me see how this is gonna taste. But this is good. Taste it.
It's passion fruit.
That is good.
You said it's passion fruit?
Yeah. Isn't it refreshing? Do it taste? It tastes like a milkshake, right?
It tastes good.
It don't taste like
heavy
it's
cream.
Yeah, that's the heavy cream. It don't taste like it's diet, nothing like sugar-free. It's all sugar-free. It's friendly, keto friendly and everything, guys. Like, I think I could do this keto thing for real, for real. Hey, TT dolls. So I'm about to go to Starbucks and get my 3rd keto drink. So guys, just bear with me. We're gonna see how this drink tastes. So far the first 2 drinks were good. So we're gonna see how this 3rd keto certified drink tastes. And I'll get back with you. Okay, dolls, I made it to the car. I got my own personal cup because it was cute. But this right here I'm trying, that's keto friendly, is a iced blonde cappuccino with cold foam. And I have 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. And, fuck. Guys, this is so good. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh my God, it tastes like sugar is in here, and it's clearly no sugar. Everything is sugar-free. This is good, guys. Y'all gotta try it. Try all 3 drinks. See which one you like the best. Excuse me, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. And give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me some likes. Talk to you later.